One of the powerful features of ClientLook is its integrated project collaboration. So you can use ClientLook CRM features to track all your contacts and communicate internally, and use the project collaboration features to collaborate with the outside world. And it all starts here in the Projects module, which is accessed by clicking the Projects menu link at the top of the page. In doing so, we'll display a list of all the projects that you're related to. Now, these might be projects that you created, or projects created by somebody else in which you were added as a participant. And this list displays the project name, which you can click to access a project, the type, the client that's primarily associated with this project, the status. Each project has its own email address, so you can email updates directly into it, and you see who each project is assigned to. Now you can quickly navigate through projects using this A to Z index at the top. You can access groups of projects by clicking here, and you can search for projects using the search link at the top of the page. Now to access a single project, just click a project name. And up will come the detail page for that project. You'll see the name of the project at the top, the type of assignment that it is, whether it's active or inactive. You'll see your client's information, a full description of the project here, the location of this project if it involves a physical address. You can add custom fields to your project to track anything that you might want. And each project has its own email address. So if you use this email address in a to or a CC address field of an email, anything that you send to the project will be incorporated here into the updates section. Now, a project can be for anything. It can involve any sort of assignment, any sort of activity, business activity that you might think of. The tabs that you see over here on the right allow you to manage the ongoing activity related to whatever this project might be. At the top here, you can quickly add an update. You just enter whatever your update might be, add a file and a link, click Add this update, and you're done. Down below, you'll see the list of ongoing updates that you and your team are contributing to these projects. Now, most of these are being added to contact records and with a couple of clicks related to this project automatically. Now, any update that you see can have a comment added to it to allow for increased collaboration with all of the participants of your project. So here's an example of a comment that was added at 11:32 a.m. today to this update. And you can add additional comments to create a fully threaded conversation about any sort of update that you might add. Now, the Activities tab provides a list of all of the activities related to this project. Now, in ClientLook, whether you add an activity for a contact or you do it directly here on a project, you can relate those activities to one or more projects. So I schedule a call for a person, I relate it to a project, that activity will show up here. So you'll see a variety of to-dos, meetings, etc. in this list, whether they were scheduled here by clicking the Schedule Event or Schedule a Task button, or they were scheduled for contacts and related to this project. But this is the way that you understand all of the pending tasks related to the project, whether they're involving you, assigned to you, or assigned to somebody else on your team. Now, the Participants tab allows you to extend access to this project to anybody you choose. So your participants could just be internal team members, other users of your subscription. Or by clicking Invite Participants here, you can invite anybody you want that exists within your contact database. You simply type in their name, ClientLook sends them an email, and for free, they can log in and access any of the details of this project. Your participants can add updates, they can add comments, they can upload files. They can engage and collaborate on this project just as if they were in your internal team. They're limited, though, to only the updates and activities that you share with them, and they can't gain access to any other records in your database other than what is explicitly shown within the project. The Deals tab allows you to provide basic forecast information for this project, a potential close date, a deal amount. This, by the way, is not revealed to any of your outside participants. And you can put projects into groups. For marketing purposes, for pipeline management and forecasting, a project can belong to as many groups as you'd like. So use the project collaboration capabilities of ClientLook to add a whole new dimension to the type of service that you're offering to your clients and the way in which you're communicating internally. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all the other tutorials in our video showcase at ClientLook.com.